everyone. I wish to welcome Manjamma, Jogati Manjamma ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾನರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ. ಸೊ ಸಚ್ ಅ busy schedule you come across, and I think Channa Basapa sir, Venkatesh Chandrapa, or Aditya Vikramjit Singh, Adit Bakesh Shamnu. So all of them are present over here, but I think the BO and the DDPI is still not able to make it. So we are just starting the program, and I wish to tell you all the journey of KSPL school. 25 varsha, 25 years we have started this. It started with a small hutment. I think you are aware of it. So I wish to say a few words on these things, which is my journey. We look back as years gone by, a milestone reached and a miles to go. As we look back as years gone by, we have accomplished in not only academics but also co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We take immense pleasure to present the annual report of our school to appraise you all. How the mission and philosophy of KSPL have manifested positively from day-to-day working and through the voyage of discovery of excellence in the field of education. There we have been many changes in the school in the professional development of teachers, technology, and above all academics. Teachers work together in various training sessions to cater all the educational needs of the students. It started in a small hutment of about 15 to 20 children on 16th July 2001 with 3 teachers. With the support of the parents and the zeal to achieve has kept me motivated and to grow. And today we have grown to 36 to 50 teachers, 5 non-teaching staff, 5 janitors, for alumni students of 1,200 students. In the year 2007 to 8, our first batch of students appeared and attend 100% pass. In the year 2023-24, 94 students have passed, and the highest score was Bhagyashri with 96%. The alumni of our school are doctors, engineers, Air Force officers, advocates, managers in banks, etc., working not only in India but outside India also. So we are proud to see that they are all part of our KSPL school. Then the alumni of our school are, as I told you, they are doctors, engineers, and people who are working abroad in US and then in the Qatar Airlines. And you will be shortly seeing all of them saying a few words on it. The fundamental purpose of our education is to transfer worthy citizens to achieve with humility and right conduct. Our strength, assemblies are an important factor of our school routine. They form a significant part of the school curriculum by creating a positive attitude and promoting the value-based education. Our regular participation at competition outside school at the district and state level has exposed our students to become confident, responsible, and innovative. See, at this point, I also want to say some of the children have benefited by a marketing day also, which we started I think about 5 to 10 years back. There are students who have also appreciated the marketing skills which they have learned from our school. Then I wish to also organize, we have been organizing excursion and field trips every year to help students gain first-hand knowledge and to augment their academic and learning beyond their confines of classrooms in our joyful company of peer and friends. We conducted after-school activities, just karate and dance classes. Our greatest support are the parents who constantly supported us and rectified us as and when we made mistakes. So I think I should be very grateful to all the parents who are seated over here and who are not only waiting for the annual day to start, but also is watching all the things who have been, the 25 years of my journey. I think you'll be seeing from the hutman to what it is now. Then I wish to also tell about Pratham, who got first prize in the state level state competition in 2016. Yogesh of class 8 won the first prize in the state level chess competition 2015. Our students participated in the state level competition in essay writing and speech in English. Charlotte of class 10 won the first prize in the state level karate competition. Our students participated in many events such as Bharatanatyam, Hampi Utsava and Mysore Dasara Utsava and won many laurels. The Independence Day, the Republic Day and Teachers Day are also celebrated with great reverence and fervor. I also tell about the students who secured the first prize in ISRO at the district level. I also want to tell about school organized a science exhibition to kindle the interest of the students this year. Sports Day was organized to inculcate the discipline, the team spirit and sportsmanship among our students. In state level quiz competition, I think we have secured the second prize in 2022-23-24 and Umaya Salma, who's actually a blind student who also studied over here, has got the second prize in the state level Dharmika competition in Urdu. That was in the year 2023-24. And I think last year we got a very good result with about 20 distinctions, 30 first classes and 19 second classes. So I think all this is I should say a thank you to all my teachers who have been supporting me and the parents have also supported me in my journey. So I think I want to welcome everyone over here who have made me very proud of this moment and who's also joined me because Bud Doctor is not only my doctor but also a person who has done so much for the hospital citizens. And Jogati Manjama she's also done a lot for the service of the thing and she's got the Padma Shri also. So I think all of us need to appreciate that you can do whatever you want to. Everything is your mind and your will. If you can, it's only you people, your parents, who need to come forward and encourage your children. Today, they can become whatever they want to only with your support and our teachers' support also. So all these things, thank you so much. I think all of you have been watching the photos and everything. I think there will be a video clipping also very shortly. So please see the journey of KSPL School.